We'll guide you through how to fix Samsung Smart TV Wi-Fi not connecting. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem's annoying as perhaps you're trying to stream a show. Look on your remote and go and press the home button. Then what you want to do is tap over to the left and open up settings. Go down to general, tap in general and go and find network. Go down and select reset network settings and confirm your decision. Wait for it to run through and then what you can do is try connecting again. See if that solves it. If that doesn't work, come on to remote. What you want to do is go and tap and hold down the power button for 10 seconds. Release and go and see if it then works. When it turns back on, it may automatically connect again. If it doesn't, you can go and try connecting. If that still doesn't work, you want to go to the wall outlet. Turn it off and then go onto your TV and you need to locate the power button underneath it. It should be near the logo or maybe to the left or right. So I'm going to hold that for a minute. After that time passes, release, plug it back in, turn it back on and go and see if you can then connect or if it automatically connects. If it still doesn't work, go and check your router is working with another device. Leave a like if you found this useful.